Hi there, Taylor with Prep Talk. Looking forward to chatting with you for a few minutes today about really a pretty important topic, and that is protecting yourself from the sun with a good quality hat. So I want to take a little bit of time and talk to you about some options and some things that you should look for when you're considering a good hat for the outdoors. Because honestly, if something were to happen that would shut down the grid, a natural disaster or something where we weren't able to be indoors as often as we're accustomed and we're having to be outside, being properly protected from the sun is going to be crucial, really important. Most of us have one of these. It's a regular baseball cap that we use typically outdoors, but unfortunately they are really inadequate to protect you from exposure to the sun, especially for the tops of your ears and the back of your neck and more of your face area. So these are okay for summertime occasionally, but not for an extended period of time. So I want to talk to you about, first of all, this hat, which is a hat I picked up just this last year. It's a pretty high quality hat. It's a Tilly hat. This thing ran me about $70, but it has a lifetime guarantee and it has a nice wide brim on it to make sure that your ears and your forehead and the back of your neck are covered. But in addition to that, it has a nice vent across the top here so that it allows air to circulate through to keep you cool. I got my wife a similar one that has even a bigger vent around the top. But an additional feature on my wife's that I think is really important is that you can open up the back of it here and actually pull out a cover for the back of your neck, so that if you're concerned about extra exposure on the back of your neck, this will actually protect the back of your neck and keep little critters off as well. And it can even strap around to the front, which is a nice little added feature on that hat. I have several other hats that do something similar. This is, may look familiar, those of you who are fishermen, this is often used for fishermen. It's a much larger bill on the front, with once again that back drop down to cover the back of your neck and your ears. Here's another one that I have that does something similar. It's a wider brim all the way around, once again with that back area designed to cover the back of your neck. Then lastly, one with a brim that goes all the way around, once again with that part to cover the back of your neck and your ears. This is really, really critical. We've all been sunburned before. Nothing worse than having to deal with a sunburn, especially if you're already dealing with a lot of other traumatic and difficult things. So please take the time now. Find yourself a hat that you feel comfortable with. Make sure every member of your family has adequate headwear and headgear in the event that you're going to be spending a lot more time outdoors. And so until next time, thanks.